Network cabling. The network cables are used to transfer the data from one device to another device. Still, network cables are being used worldwide to produce a faster internet to the people. There are many types of cables available in the networking. Here we discuss about 6 different cables: coaxial cables, twisted pair cables, fiber optics, USB cables, serial and parallel cables, and Ethernet cables. Coaxial cables. This cable was invented at late 1880s, which is used to connect the television sets to home antennas. This cable is used to transfer the information in 10 MB per second. The cable is divided into thin net and thick net cables. Nowadays, coaxial cables are also used for dish TV, where the set-top box and the television is connected using the coaxial cable only. Twisted pair cables. It is type of cable with 2 or more insulated wires twisted together. It started with the speed of 10 MB per second. 10 base T cable is used. Then the cable is improved and the speed was higher and went to 100 MB per second. Fiber optics. This cable is different from the other 2 cables. The other 2 cables had an insulating material at the outside and the conducting material like copper inside. But in this cable, it is of strands of glass and pulse of light is used to send the information. USB cables. The universal serial bus are used to connect keyboard, mouse and other peripheral devices. But there are some special network devices used to connect the internet through the USB called dongles. Serial and parallel cables. They were sometimes used for PC to PC networking before the USB emerged. The system will have both serial port and parallel port. Ethernet cables. Ethernet cable is the most common type of network cable, mainly used for connecting the computers or devices at home or office. This cable connects wired devices within the local area network like LAN for sharing the resources and accessing internet. Crimping tool. Crimping. Crimping is the process of joining 2 or more pieces of metal or wire by deforming one or both of them to hold each other. Joining RJ45 connector together with a twisted pair cable at each end is an essential process in Ethernet cabling, which leads the cable to function properly. For that, we use crimping tool. The crimping tool is a physical tool which is used to connect the patch wire and the Ethernet connector. The crimping tool looks like a small cutting handle with the 2 mole of Ethernet cord. The tool will puncture the connector and makes the wire set in the connector. This is the process. Crimping process using the crimping tool. Let us see in detail. Crimping process for making Ethernet cables. Step 1. Cut the cable with the desired length. Strip the insulation sheet about 1 inch from both ends of the cable and expose the twisted pair wires. After stripping the wire, untwist the smaller wires and arrange them into the proper wiring scheme. T568B preferred generally. Step 4. Bring the wires together, tighter together and cut them down so that they all have the same length, that is half inch. Insert the all 8 colored wires into the 8 grooves in the connector. The wires should be inserted until the plastic sheath is also inside the connector. Step 6. Use the crimping tool to lock the RJ45 connector on the cable. It should be strong enough to handle manual traction. Now it is ready for data transmission. Use a cable tester to verify the proper connectivity of the cable if need. The 6 steps are shown in the picture.